How to evict a tenant. Take pains to remove a renter from your property legally, or you could find yourself on the wrong side of the law. You will need knowledge of your state laws, a valid eviction reason, documentation of wrongdoing, a written notice of eviction, a court order of eviction, and a posted eviction notice. Step 1. Contact your county clerk's office to check the laws governing eviction proceedings in your jurisdiction. If you are managing government-subsidized housing, follow the eviction rules established by the U.S. Department of Housing and Urban Development. Step 2. Know the valid reasons for evicting a tenant, which include non-payment of rent, a violation of their lease, and creating a health or safety problem. Landlords do not need a reason to evict month-to-month tenants, and they can choose not to renew a tenant's lease without giving a reason. Step 3. Don't attempt to evict a tenant by force or try to get them to leave by cutting off their heat or water, changing their locks, or tossing their possessions. These methods are all illegal. Step 4. Have your documentation in order, including a copy of the lease, written notices you have sent to the tenant concerning any problems, and any other proof of your claim, like bounced rent checks or photos of property damage. Step 5. Let the tenant know in writing that you are planning to evict them if they don't pay their rent or correct a violation by a certain date. How much time you must give them varies from state to state. If you are evicting a month-to-month tenant without cause, make sure you are giving the advance notice required by your state, which can be anywhere from 20 to 90 days. Step 6. If the tenant hasn't addressed the problem within the time frame cited, file an eviction notice with the local court. If the tenant doesn't respond within the time defined by the court, you win by default. If the tenant challenges the eviction, the case may go to a hearing. Step 7. If you win the case, a representative of the court, like a sheriff, marshal, or constable, will post a notice on the tenant's door, giving them a move-out date, at which time the tenant and their possessions will be forcibly removed from the premises by the court representative if they haven't vacated on their own. Step 8. If the tenant wins, you will have to let them stay and pay their costs of fighting the eviction in most cases. So be sure to follow the letter of the law before starting proceedings. Did you know the number of cases landlords filed in New York City for back rent rose 19% in the first 2 months of 2009?